When I met you, I began learning how to learn the traps of cherishing you superior. Can I have you presently and often? Loving a young lady like you made me trap you regularly time where there is adore there you are. Thank you. A life without you shows us as well difficult to support. When I got you, everything gets to be as simple as eating food. You are the as thing I see when I quite offer assistance. You make me more grounded when I have problems. I supplicate God donate me gifts. It came through you. I implore He gives me benevolent action. I gotten it from you. You make me upbeat in numerous ways. In the starting, I indulged you with everything. In the conclusion, you finished up being my one and forlorn. I at that point do not require to relegate you with anything but grant you everything. Like kids, you fathom my issues. I am saying thanks to you for this. You are my one and as it were angel. A day will come that I will not have any other thing to do than say I cherish you. The reason I keep on adoring you is that you are the as it were individual that cherished me. Cherished without having enough. At a time like this individuals cherish for the purpose of riches. You are here. You are here. You are here. Celebrating me without me having anything to appear. Thank you. My heart throb. The unpleasant street through you is like a thousand mile taken with a single step. Can we go around together forever? The final time I said I need you. It was as if I was threading annihilation. If I was threading annihilation and diversion way. Presently dead. I see the ins and outs of you. I can continuously having you presently is nothing. But the best man for you turned out to be me. The same way the best lady for me is you. Get me a few ladies. Let me choose from. I will not see anybody as classical as you. Did I not say I adore you? You truly cannot fall me for falling in cherish with somebody. I had time no. It happens like that. That is why it is named. Adore at to begin with locate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.